Question 9. Write 3x squared, take away 24x plus 38 in the form a bracket x minus b close bracket squared, take away c. This is completing the square. So first things first, we got to get it so that we have an x squared on its own. We don't want that 3, so we have to take it out of as a factor. The only two terms that you need to take it out as a factor of are these two. If you have taken it as a factor of 38 as well, that's fine, as long as you're careful with how you break it out later to get the same answer. So the 38 I'm going to leave here out in the cold, and we'll deal with that later. Having taken 3 out as a common factor of these two, we're going to be left with an x squared, take away 8x. And then from this, I'm going to complete the square. Half of that minus 8 becomes a minus 4 in the bracket with the x all squared. We take that number away squared. We still have that red bracket with the 3 outside, and the 38 is still lingering there on the right hand side. When we multiply this red bracket out, 3 times that blue bracket, 3 times the negative 4 squared, we're going to end up with the following. 3 times that blue bracket, we don't want to break it out, because the whole point is that we are trying to leave this and complete the square form. Or 3 times negative 4 squared will be the same as 3 times negative 16, will be the same as minus 48. And then when we add that 38 on the end, we're going to end up with 3 bracket x minus 4 all squared, take away 10. Part B, hence or otherwise, hence meaning that we can use our answer above. So generally speaking, it's going to be the nicer way of doing it, especially for 1 mark. Find the coordinates of the turning point of this graph, which happens to be exactly the same as the one you've got here, except we've got a y equals. One of the advantages of having a graph, a quadratic written in complete the square form, is that whatever number is inside here, the opposite of it is going to be our x coordinate, and our y coordinate is going to be whatever number we're left with on the right hand side. So 4 comma minus 10 is our turning point. Done.